Come and explore this 15.5 acre lot in Clayton, Indiana, just west of Indianapolis in Hendricks County, in the Mill Creek Community School District. The property is located about 1 mile west of Cartersburg Road, at 2588 East US Highway 40. Make your home in the 3-bedroom, 3-full-bath, single-family house with 2,392 square feet of living space. The house was built in 1988 and has many upgraded features, including a master chef's kitchen, formal dining room, office, and a living room with and bay windows to view the woods or cozy up to the fireplace in the family room. The bedrooms feature walk-in closets. Imagine drinking your morning cup of coffee in the large sunroom, or swimming in the enclosed in-ground pool. Down the hill behind the house is the little village, complete with chapel, schoolhouse, general store and livery. This is a photographer's dream location. The property includes mature trees and a pond with new drainage provided from the small creek. However, the highlight of the property is the Lance Farms Event Center, an ongoing and thriving business that could provide continual income for the property. The large barn is a popular venue for weddings, graduation and birthday parties, anniversary celebrations, and musical events. With a separate bride's room, everything is ready for that perfect day. For more information, or to schedule a showing, contact Nicole Morales, broker and realtor for Realty One Group at 317-371-4412, or visit our listing on the web at clayton-2588eastus40.com, or scan the code at the end of the video. We look forward to showing you this exciting property. We are now scheduling showings, so contact us today.